Hey guys, Prepper in the Woods here, and this is my second video in a series of videos for urban survival. Now behind me is a bag that I packed probably about a year ago. The only thing I change is the food. I rotate the food around and that's about it. So we're going to dissect this bag now. I'm going to take everything out, show you what I was thinking back then, and then everything I have in there, well, I'm trying to make upgraded or the bag lighter. I want the bag lighter, grab it, and everything's in it. At the moment I have to grab two things, so it's nice to grab one thing and go, which would be a lot easier in emergency. Everything behind me, well most of it behind me, is the upgradable stuff that I'm going to use in this bag here. So if you see an item in this bag and say, oh well, you could use this and this, I might do later on another video. So I need to make a video about what to put in an urban survival bag. But this is my bag, my thinking a year ago. So let's check it out. Right, so this is the bag I used. I got it from Decathlon in Southampton. I want to say Quincha? I don't know. I think it's a Spanish-made bag. I'll put a link in the description box below. It's a 70-liter bag. I'm going to put it on the floor so I have more space here on the table. And then I'll start from the side pockets and then work my way in. Right, so the first side pocket looks like my fire kit. Got a lot of goodies in this one. Is that it? That's it. Okay. In this side pocket I have some Fire Dragon gel. Some more, that's a normal gel. Yeah, BBC more Fuel Dragon gels. I got a mini survival kit with a ferro rod and tape on the side there and some tin foil. That is a bag of cordage. Some of this is going to be a surprise. I forgot what I packed. You got a Black Widow slingshot with some ammo in a rifle pouch. And I got a roll of duct tape. Moving on to the other side pouch, I have a water carrier, a rucksack cover, some waterproof trousers, ooh, a mouse trap, wind up torch, metal water bottle, and that's it. This is the top pouch, and all I have in that is another rucksack cover. Alright, so I have two. And that's it. So that's the side pockets and the top pocket done. So now we're going on to the main compartment, and right on top I have my rat pack here with a good amount of weight. I'll put that over there because I need to check through that one again. And again, a bit of more food here. You have some honey, some mountain house foods, another rat pack there. Some drinking condiments from the side from the rat pack. Have a very large first aid kit. This is the Life Systems one. Got some beeswax. That powder, pomegranate or something powder. Forgot the name of it. Some Israeli bandages. A tourniquet. That's all nice stuff there. Got some books. Got a little Swiss Army knife, a mirror, SAS book, food for free book, and some dust masks. This one. Have some photos, a map of my area, a spare slingshot sling, and that's about it. Have a water container with a Sawyer mini filter in there. It comes with a bottle. I also have some water tablets in it. The hose, the cleaning. So that's a little drinking kit there. I have a Charade 37 knife. This is the one with the, I took the coating off it because I didn't like it, but I think this was one of my first big knives I bought. and it lasted a long time, so I'm happy with that one. That over there. Got a little light my fire knife. So I got a main knife and a thinner knife. Now this one I haven't seen before, and I tried buying some more of these because I think they're really cool. It's from Black's, the camping shop, but you have a flat piece there, which could be your dish. I have some coffee in there, but then you have another pan in there for frying. It holds a stove, and then you got a pot of cooking. So that was really cool. That. But I haven't found anything similar to it. But if you do know anything, pop it in the description box, please. Right. The comment section. Right. Oh, I got an eyeglass kit. I got a army poncho. That is a Gore-Tex bivy bag. This is a solar charger from Anchor, and it has a USB charger for AA batteries as well. So I charge my phone, my batteries. Got a cheapo camouflage tarp. Got one of those Condor knockoff pouches, which has a Pathfinder bottle cup lid set in that one. And then in this compartment here has like a little mini fire kit. So that's handy. Alright. Whether it'll stay in the bag, well, who knows. This one here is another fire kit. Yeah, that's another fire kit. So that's 2 mini fire kits already. So that could be something I improve on. Put that over there. Down here, I can see 2 different schmugs. It's fleece, neck warmers, balaclava, some pants and some socks. Almost there. Small mini hygiene kit. Base soap, deodorant, rag, fingernail clippers, toenail clippers. Yeah, that could be reduced down a bit. Toothbrush. Got some baby wipes. And I think this is the last bit of it. Alright, so this one here looks like a shelter one. So you got a heat blanket. You got a thermal bag. And I have, looks like, it looks like a sleeping bag liner. And then I have another mummy liner. And a waterproof jacket. Nope. Nope. It's a bivy bag. Yeah, bivy bag. So that's cool. And all that was in a little small dry bag. Now let's look at the bag itself here. Right, so the bag itself held up really well. I've used it up and down Lake District. On here I sewed in a little bit of webbing, just enough to put a pouch on if I wanted to, you know, a molly pouch, and then I glued the threading so nothing would snap off and pull off or whatever. I've done that to both sides. Yep, both sides. And I have some strapping here to put my sleeping stuff, which is on the floor there. The handle is quite nice on this too. You can get into the bag from the middle bit, so you don't have to go through the top all the time, which is nice. It does have some side pockets on there, compression straps on the sides, but the back of it, really adjustable and comfortable. Like I said, I can carry loads of weight with this. Hip pouch there, really nice and padded. Really, and I think it was a bargain too. I think it was on sale for, I want to say 60. So that one. Right, these are the bonus items that are next to my bag depending upon the season. So in here you have a little snug pack. What do you call them? Puffer jackets. Really, really comfy. I use this one to sleep in my video of 4 shelters, 4 nights. Really nice, that one. And then I have a snug pack bag. Again, really comfy in that night sleep. This one, let's see, let's tell you which one it is. Softy 9. Yeah, so that was really good. That is it. The only other sleeping bag I would use is this one, which I used that in a Lake District. Again, the sleeping bag I had wasn't good enough, so I went to the camper shop and bought this one. Large size, but it's curved, which I like. So, 'cause I'm a big guy, plenty of foot room in that, which is really nice. So that's everything I have in that bug out bag, which I did about a year ago. So obviously there's some mistakes in there or things I can improve on, which I will do now. I wanted the bag to be a lot lighter. Also, I want to have space that if I scavenge anything, if I find any more food or whatever, I do have space in the bag to put it in. I don't want a maxed out bag and running around a maxed out bag because I might find some good supplies to use. Other than that, again, if you're using seasonal stuff, make sure you have that near your bag or packed in your bag, and then later on swap out for your summer stuff, you know, more bottles or something like that for water. So like I said, bags are always changing. You can have 10 different people and have 10 different bags. It's only, you know, your personal skill set and the area you live in, so keep that in mind. A lot of people from the hot climates will have more water bottles. People in the cold climates will have, you know, different camouflage. They'll go for white, or, you know, have more wool in their kit. So it's just personal, really. But thanks for watching, guys. This is part of the Urban Survival series. This bag will hopefully it's going to have more urban-based stuff in it. I'm thinking tools, that sort of stuff that you come across day to day, like crowbar. So I'm going to work on it anyway. I got all the stuff behind me. I'm going to set everything up out and then trim the fat. But thanks guys for watching. Also check out Prepper Dell's video. He just put one up about urban survival and the mentality in the bag he's going to use. So I'll put that up here for you guys to check out. Thanks guys for watching. Like, share, subscribe. See you next one. Bye.